Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today's topic is Van der Waals equation. Deviation from ideal gases behavior. As a previous session, I was told you what is the gas law, what is the ideal gases, what is the real gases, what is the PV is equal to nRT, what is the pressure, volume, constant temperature. So today topic is van der Waals, which is also related to the particular gases. A gas which have OB, PV is equal to nRT, and all gases law is called as an ideal gas. The gases which do not obey PV is equal to nRT gases law strictly called as a real gases. So ideal gases follow PV is equal to nRT, and real gases doesn't follow PV is equal to nRT. Real gases show deviation from ideal behavior at low temperature and high temperature. All gases are found to be real under certain conditions. Van der Waals it attributes the deviation of real gases from ideal gas behavior to two faculty postulates of KMT: intramolecular forces of attraction and volume of molecules. Intramolecular forces of attraction is there are no attractive or repulsive forces between molecule of the and ideal gases. So there is no force between ideal gases. Volume of molecules, the volume of the gas molecules is negligible as compared to the volume of the container. Explanation of deviation at the lower temperature. A high temperature, kinetics energy of molecule is also high. As a result to the attractive forces are negligible. At a lower temperature, kinetic energy of molecules is decreased and molecules come closer to each other at the certain low temperature. Gases changes into the liquid state, the intermolecular forces become significant near liquidify temperature. For example, SO2 liquefies at 10 degrees Celsius and H2 liquefied at minus 252 0.7 degrees Celsius. SO2 gases show non-ideal behavior at room temperature as compared to H2 gases. At high temperature, at low pressure, the actual volume of the gas molecule is very small as compared to the volume of the container. At a high pressure, this volume does not remain negligible. At atm pressure, individual volume of molecules say 32 centimeter is negligible at compared to the total volume of gases 22400 centimeter. At 100 atm pressure, the volume of the gas is reduced to 2 to 4 centimeter. Now the volume of individual molecules 32 centimeter in the negligible as compared to the total volume. So here show low temperature gases behavior and the high temperature gases behavior. This is the van der Waals equation which is for ideal gas behavior. So van der Waals equation is related to the ideal gas behavior and which is follows PV is equal to nRT. So ideal gases follow the PV is equal to nRT. So this is right from the PV is equal to nRT. P plus A N2 upon V2 V minus NV is equal to nRT. For 1 mole of gas, N is equal to 1 is equal to P plus A upon V2 bracket V minus V is equal to RT. I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, write down in comment box. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. Thank you.